This is the Jamsticks smart guitar. I don't know how smart it is. Hopefully it makes me smarter than I am. Right, what do you get inside here? You get, oh, nice carrying case. Oh, look at that. That looks very nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a lovely piece of packaging, isn't it? And you just heard as I dropped that, I smacked it against another guitar. So, and you can probably see them in the background. Right, let's do this here so you can see. Open that. And it goes. It doesn't tell me which way the power goes. That really doesn't help a lot, Rashid. So positives that way, okay. I mean, it's 50-50, right, when it comes to batteries. It's not like USB. The problem with USB cables is it's never 50-50. It's like 90-10, no matter how many times you think you've got them in the right way around. It's not until you absolutely lose it and crash your computer that you realize you were right the first way around and you have to go back to doing it that way again, despite all your best intentions. Now, I believe this is just designed as a silent guitar. You're not really meant to hear anything if you're not wearing the headphones. So that doesn't sound very guitar-like, you know, so no matter what I do. I mean, that sounds like absolute mayhem no matter what I do with this thing. Download the Jamsticks companion app from the store. Let's go to the App Store. I guess it's called the Jamstick Control. I mean, I can't think of anything else. So we open this up. Retail store demo mode, home mode. Have you downloaded Jamstick Creator? No, bugger off. Okay, connect Jamstick. So really simple. Apple's MIDI connectivity. Okay, I get that. Okay, allow it to connect to my Bluetooth. One device found. Let's click on it. It's connecting. What does it say will happen? Wow, okay. Master string sensitivity. Default synth. I don't want a synth. Obviously, I'm going to fake electric guitar. Okay. Oh, so what appears to be the case with this piece of junk is you have to fret and you've got to strum the string. You can't just gently do that. And it can't keep up with me. So if I play like that, it cannot keep up. Shut up. Soul organ, groovy bass. Okay, let's try groovy bass, shall we? You are limited by the number of strings. There you go, Bad by Michael Jackson. I don't actually know what to do with this. It's got 6 strings in it, and for some reason it seems like you're able to tune them, or tighten them, I guess, to make them feel more like further up lower down the neck or higher up the neck. I mean, they're all very loose at the moment, but the problem with all of this is, the problem is no matter how fast you fret, it will not keep up with you. And that would really annoy me after a while. But once I get used to this, I'm sure this will be a lot of fun. Is it worth 300 quid? Sod off, no chance, not in a million years. Buy a real guitar, don't be a tool. Buy a real guitar and learn how to play it. Then, once you've learned how to play that, and I'm not saying I've mastered the guitar by any stretch of the imagination, but once you've learned how to play that, then maybe get one of these as a toy or an addition to your composition. If I could practice slide guitar on this, that would have been its one saving grace if you could play slide guitar on this. You can't. Don't waste your money. This is a piece of sorry. Is this meant to improve your guitar playing? I mean, the only way you'd improve as a guitar player is by shoving it up your ass. I mean, you shove this so far up your ass, you'd be inspired, wouldn't you? You'd come up with Beethoven on a real guitar. But I mean, it's just, I'd wanted one of these for such a long time, and I'm just so thoroughly disappointed now. I might actually shove this up my arse.